Did you know that church bells once triggered the deadliest coordinated massacre in medieval history? Picture this. It's Easter Monday, 1282. The sun is setting over Sicily, and evening church bells begin to ring across Palermo. But these aren't calling people to prayer. They're the signal for revenge. For 16 brutal years, Sicilians had suffered under French occupation. Charles of Anjou's soldiers terrorized the island with crushing taxes, rape, and murder. The people had endured enough. When those Vespers bells rang at 6 in the evening, it unleashed pure fury. Every French person in Sicily became a target. From Palermo to the smallest villages, church bells echoed across the island like a death knell. 4,000 French settlers and soldiers were systematically hunted down and killed in a single night. This wasn't random violence. This was coordinated resistance using the simplest signal imaginable. The Sicilian Vespers wiped out French power overnight, sparked a 20-year war, and proved that oppressed people could organize devastating rebellion right under their oppressors' noses.